Hi, in this video, we will add a link on sidebar navigation. First of all, open the UI Kit folder. Now, open the index.html file. As we will scroll down in the body tag, the sidebar navigation is starting from here. As we will scroll down more, here come our navigation's links. Here, we will add one more. First, we will copy this, and now we will paste this here. Now, there is an option to change the icon here, so we'll go on the dashboard, then click on the Icons button here. Here we can choose any icon, so I choose Phosphor Adjust. Now, I will change the icon name here. I want to link this to the Change Log page, so I will give it a title of Change Log. And after changing the title, I'll change this to changelog.html. Then, click the File option and save the changes. After saving, we'll go to the dashboard, and there you go. Here is the icon, and it also got linked.